Alright, let's move to a cubic function. A graph f of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d passes through the following points. Show that a is minus 2, b is minus 1, c is 16 and d is 24. Well, if you study these points very carefully, you will notice that these points 1, 2, 3, from the way it's written, they are x-intercepts. Because an x-intercept will always have this form, number 0, number 0, number 0. So these are x-intercepts. That clearly is a y-intercept of the graph. It's the y-intercept. Now in this equation, d is the y-intercept. If that is a y-intercept, then straight away we have found the answer for d. So straight away you can say that d is equal to 24 because it is the y-intercept. Oh, by the way, I just drew a graph here roughly. If that is minus 6, it will be there. If that is minus 1, it will be there. If that is 2, it will be there. And if that's 0, 24, it will be there. And because they tell me a is minus 2, I know that the graph goes this way. Anyway, even if you didn't know, if you join that point and that point, and you join these 2 points, you'll be forced to draw the curve like this. But the clue is here. This is negative, therefore the graph, we told you the graph goes that way when the number in front of x cubed is negative. So you can see the graph is going that way. Right, so we already found d. That means we can say f of x or y, better still, y is equal to a. Now if these are x-intercepts, then just like the parabola, you'll open 3 brackets instead of 2. Because it's cubic, you'll open 3 brackets. Now that will come back here opposite, so it will be x plus 6. That will come back here opposite, so it will be x plus 1. That will come here opposite, it will be x minus 2. Now let's simplify this. So y will be equal to a into x plus 6 into x squared plus x minus 2x will give you minus x minus 2. And if we simplify this more, we'll get y is equal to a into x times x will give you x cubed. X times minus x will give you minus x squared, plus 6x squared will give you minus 5x squared. Let's check. Plus 6x squared minus x squared will give you plus 5x squared. Then you want the x's. X times minus 2 will give you minus 2x minus 2x minus 6x will give you minus 8x. And then finally that times that will give you minus 12. Right. Now you are trying to solve for, and you got y here. You are trying to solve for a. So I can choose any point from here and put it here, and I will be able to get a, because I must have the value for x, I must have the value for y, I'll be able to get the value for a. So let me take the y-intercept. The y-intercept is actually 0, 24. That's x, that's y. That's y. So y is 24 is equal to a into, all this will become 0. Alright, I'll just write it 0 cubed plus 5 into 0 squared minus 8 into 0 minus 12. And then 24 is equal to a, and that this whole bracket becomes minus 12. This whole thing becomes minus 12. Let's make it square here to make it easier, and square there. When you put this in the calculator, you'll get minus 12. So what you are saying, minus 12a is equal to 24, A is equal to 24 divided by minus 12. A is equal to minus 2. So we have now solved for A. A is minus 2. Right, so we got the A, we got the D. We're only left with C and X. Alright, so let's go on to the other side. Now, Y is equal to, we're going to expand this. Y is equal to ax cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12. Sorry, A and there. A is into x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12. But we know that A is minus 2. So we got the minus 2 here. Right. And now we want to solve for, alright, so y is equal to, now it's minus 2, so we put x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12. Now we multiply. Minus 2x cubed plus, no, minus 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 16x plus 24. So we use the 2 and we put it inside here now. We open the bracket out. We use the 2, substitute the 2, open the bracket out. Now let's see if we are satisfying them. There's the A. A is minus 2. B. Let me just check the question. What the question said. B is minus 10. B is minus 10. Let me just find the question. B is minus 10. So the question should have said B is minus 10. Minus 10. So there's your B. B is equal to minus 10. Your C is here, 16, and your D is here, 24. Alright, so let's go back and quickly check this. X times x is x cubed, 6x squared minus x squared will give you 5x squared, correct? 6 minus 6x and minus 2x will give you minus 8x. 6 times minus 2 is minus 12, that's correct. And we get A is equal to minus 2. Come and put your A here. X cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12. Multiply out by 2 and you get A is 2, B is minus 10, C is 16, D is 24. So you can see that the same kind of knowledge that we had in parabola using the x-intercepts was used over here. Alright, so sorry about that, and there we are. So we'll give you some time to have a look at that and to take it down and to digest it.